We can explore other.
This looks like it did before.
Looks like a smart car.
I'm gonna make it my car, huh? Oh, it's looking ugly. What?
You want it supercharged?
I don't know. Ew, it's ugly.
I don't know, let go of it, see what happens. Oh, paint. That's cool.
Yeah. Where's the Goodyear tires?
Wait, here. Oh, okay.
But walking.
That's very interesting. We have 62 power capability. Oh.
Rep. Or 33. It's really ugly.
I guess we'll see. Yeah. We'll see what he said. Oh, wait.
Hello. The seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los niños.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track.
It's like ever driving.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface.
Connecting to OnStar.
Yeah.
SIM-car performance data acquired.
Oh my God! No. Okay. I was not expecting that.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
I don't think ours was even up there, was it?
Scanning SIM card for optimal eco-efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact.
Hey, first! Yay, Amber!
Mine was first.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Hey, you won again!
Here comes the final test.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Energizing for power test.
What happened to the cold and hot room?
We did go through the cold and hot room. It was one of the things on the
really?
side, yeah.
I didn't look like the same. I traveled with someone.
Displaying power test
Amber
results.
won.
I won.
SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance
That's
testing.
why I won.
You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car after you disembark. Please watch your step as you exit, and remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final performance numbers in our scoring area.
Thank you for watching today's video. This is Jen with DockFam Travel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and for more fun travel content, please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss new uploads.